Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time it is about the improved app pinning feature that has arrived on iQOO Neo 6 with Android 13. Now this feature can be really handy if you're really serious about your privacy, or you have kids and when you hand them over the device you don't want them to access other apps, okay, or you want to restrict the access, then this can be really useful. Yeah, now how does it work? It's very simple. Let me show you this. Simply go to settings, then scroll down security, okay, here, and then scroll down app pinning. Okay, there are certain options that have arrived with Android 13 on this Funtouch 13 scheme. Now you can see that if you turn this on, you'll get these options. Pinning range. Now first one is pin this app or page and allow actions. That means if you pin a particular window or app, then the person who is using the phone can access the app and use the app. Okay, but if you pin the page and disallow actions, then the person won't be able to access. He can or she can only see the screen that you have given, okay, to save. Now let me try this first one. Pin this page and allow actions. For example, you have a kid, okay, he or she wants to play game. Okay, now suppose this one, Subway Surfer. Okay, so suppose you have started the game. Okay, now you want the kid to play the game only, okay, and you don't want him or her to access other things. Okay, so what do you have to do? Simply swipe up, go to overview, tap here, and here you can see this pin app. Okay, done. Now if you do it, now the person or whoever it is can play the game, okay, but he or she cannot go out of this. Okay, so for that, what do you have to do? Swipe up like this and unlock the device. Okay, then it can be done. Now if you go to settings again, then security, there you have this app pinning, pin range, then pin this page and disallow actions. In this case, what happens, suppose if you want to show someone a photo or anything, yeah, then the person can only watch that thing. He won't be able to access the screen. Okay, let me show you this. Suppose again this thing, yeah, where is the game? Here. Okay, now if I pin it, pin, now got it. Now see, nothing is working here. Okay, so no access has been granted. So this can be really handy if you want to show someone any particular photo, but you want them that they should watch that thing only, nothing else. Okay, this can be handy. And if you want to turn on the lock thing, then what you have to do, simply go to security, yeah, app pinning, and you have this option, ask for unlock pattern before unpinning. So what do you think about it? I believe that this can be really useful if you have kids particularly. Yeah, in my case it is actually true, because they open so many apps, other things, or if you have any sensitive data that you don't want to share with others, then this can be really useful. So have you used it? Let me in the comments. And if you have found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. So till the next video guys, cheers.